Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at the Notion database layout basis. So in general, if you have a database in Notion like this one, you can always click on the view and then click on edit view. And now you have different options to adjust the design, the layout, the view type. First of all, you can change the general layout. So as you can see here, this one is a board, but you can turn it into a table, timeline, calendar, whatsoever. Also, you can decide whether you want to show a database title or not. As you can see now there is the database title visible, or you can make it invisible again. You also can adjust the card preview. So if you want a preview, just click, for example, on the page cover or page content. Then those little cards, as you can see now, they will show more of the content. If you then go on page content, we not only get the cover, but we also get the content. In this case, this database, the pages do not have a cover, so you didn't see a cover. But now if you click on content, you can see, for example, this page includes a to-do list, and as you can see here now this to-do list is visible. As mentioned before, you can decide how you prefer it. You can also decide how big those cards are. Yeah, there are a lot of things you can use. Just play around with them. You also can color them. Then you can see here that they have different colors, and the color is based on the color of this property. So yeah, you also can choose if you click on one of those properties, whether it shows up in side peak or in the center peak or as a full page. Yeah, just play around with this one. Furthermore, you also have a lot of other options. One quite important thing is how many properties you want to show. For example, if we click on this one, we see the Kanban status is hidden. So if you now click on Kanban status on this little eye, you will see that now you see that the status pops up. As mentioned before, in this case it's hidden, but yeah, all those others show up. So yeah, it's another way to personalize this view. And then you have filters. If you're interested in filters and also in the sort option, we created another video about this thing because it's a bit bigger than just a layout thing. So just go on a YouTube page and you find it there. You also can group them. You can create subgroups. You can create automations. Yeah, for automations, you usually also have another video because again it's quite a big thing, and you also can choose a load limit. So I would recommend you to have the load limit not at 100, probably at around 25 or 50, because if you use a higher load limit, for example 100, your Notion page becomes slower to load if you play around in it. And yeah, that's it. So as you see, there are a lot of options in which way or how you can design your Notion database. Yeah, just play around with it, and I'm pretty sure you'll find a way to make it personalized the way you prefer it. Thank you so much. Bye.